Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you those who are not knowing how to change their names in Facebook. You know, this can only be done after 60 days. Means if you have changed your name in Facebook today or nickname, it will only be changed after. If you want to change it again, it is only possible after 60 days. So this is the information I wanted to give you. How to change the name I am going to tell you in this video. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So you just quickly go to the Facebook app. So Facebook app I have opened. Then here this 3 horizontal lines menu, then go below, and here you will go to the setting and privacy. In privacy you need to go to the setting, and in setting see more in the account center. See more in the account center, just press on that. So just press, and as soon as you will press, you will come to know this. There are the profiles here. 2 profiles are connected. Just tap on here. So tap on here, and now you will see these are the 2 profiles. So from here you can, if you want to change the name, just go to the first profile, and here if you want to change the name, just tap on the name. You can edit the name, and now if you have edited to XYZ, then you can review change. So here it is clearly written that if you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So if you review change, it will review, and if there is any, it will ask for, because I am just showing you, I am not using the proper name. So this is how you can change name in the Facebook account. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel.